Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we are going to discuss how retirees can protect their savings in 2025. Retirement in 2025 requires careful planning to ensure long-term financial security. With economic uncertainty, inflation, and market fluctuations, it's essential to take the right steps to safeguard your savings. Let's dive into the best strategies retirees can use to protect their nest egg and maximize their income. Strategy 1. Maximize Social Security benefits. Delaying Social Security until age 70 can significantly increase your monthly payout, ensuring you receive the highest possible lifetime income. Strategy 2. Diversify retirement income. Relying on a single income source can be risky. A combination of pensions, annuities, and investments provides financial stability and ensures you're not left vulnerable to unexpected economic changes. Strategy 3. Protect against inflation. Inflation erodes purchasing power, making it essential to have protection in place. Fixed index annuities with increasing guaranteed lifetime withdrawals can help maintain your standard of living. Strategy 4. Minimize taxes on withdrawals. Tax planning is crucial in retirement. Strategically withdrawing from tax-deferred accounts like IRAs and 401ks can help minimize tax liabilities, keeping more of your money working for you. Strategy 5. Reduce investment risk. As you transition into retirement, it's important to protect your savings from market downturns. Moving assets into safer vehicles like fixed annuities and bonds can provide peace of mind and financial stability. Strategy 6. Plan for long-term care. Medical expenses can be one of the biggest financial burdens in retirement. Hybrid long-term care insurance or annuities with long-term care riders can provide the necessary coverage while preserving your assets. Strategy 7. Review Medicare and health insurance. Healthcare costs continue to rise, so comparing Medicare Supplement, Advantage, and Part D plans ensures you have the best coverage at the lowest cost. Strategy 8. Eliminate unnecessary expenses. Cutting costs can extend your retirement savings. Downsizing, refinancing, or eliminating unnecessary subscriptions can free up additional funds for more essential expenses.
Before we jump back into the video, let us introduce you to the Annuity Expert, your trusted resource for financial guidance. At the Annuity Expert, we provide tools, insights, and expert advice to help you make confident financial decisions and achieve your goals. Our learning labs are designed to simplify complex topics like annuities, insurance, and retirement planning. With expert guides, personal finance tips, and product reviews, you'll find everything you need to build a stable and secure financial future. If you're looking to grow your savings, check out today's interest rates. You can shop and compare the latest rates to find the best opportunities for your financial needs. We also offer a suite of free financial calculators designed to help you plan smarter and achieve your goals. From retirement and investing to insurance, our tools cover a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're estimating retirement income, projecting savings growth, or evaluating insurance options, these calculators empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. For personalized advice, speak with our licensed financial professionals for free. Share your goals, concerns, and unique circumstances, and together we'll craft a plan tailored to your needs. Visit the Annuity Expert today and start taking steps toward the financial future you deserve.
Strategy 9. Use required minimum distributions wisely. Required minimum distributions begin at age 73. Instead of spending them all, consider reinvesting excess funds into tax-efficient accounts to enhance your wealth. Strategy 10. Consider an annuity for guaranteed income. A fixed or indexed annuity provides lifetime income, helping you avoid financial stress and maintain a steady cash flow, even during market downturns. Strategy 11. Estate and legacy planning. Updating your will, trusts, and beneficiary designations prevents legal complications and ensures your assets go to your intended recipients without unnecessary delays or taxes. Strategy 12. Monitor inflation-protected investments. Investments like Treasury inflation-protected securities and I-bonds help safeguard your savings against inflation, ensuring your purchasing power remains intact. Strategy 13. Keep emergency funds liquid. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time. A savings account with 6 to 12 months worth of expenses provides financial security and peace of mind. Strategy 14, reduce debt before retirement. Eliminating high-interest debt, such as credit cards and personal loans, helps preserve your retirement funds and reduces financial stress. Strategy 15, stay active and healthy. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle reduces medical expenses and improves overall quality of life, allowing you to make the most of your retirement years. Strategy 16, lock in fixed interest accounts. With interest rates expected to decline, securing a long-term fixed interest account, such as a fixed annuity or long-term CD, can help lock in today's higher rates. Now, who needs this? If you're a retiree looking for financial stability, lower tax burdens, and guaranteed lifetime income, these strategies can help you achieve peace of mind. Who doesn't need this? If you have unlimited wealth or a guaranteed pension covering all expenses, you may not need to adjust your financial plan. In addition to these strategies, having the right insurance in place is key to ensuring financial stability and protecting your assets in retirement. First, annuities provide lifetime income and protection against inflation. Next, long-term care insurance helps cover assisted living and medical costs. Finally, life insurance ensures financial security for your beneficiaries. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.